Okay, friends, this is Barbara, and I'm back with another crock pot meal. Okay, so this is 3 large chicken breast. I like to take them and cut them in half. Yeah, that was pretty large. So we're just going to throw it all in there. And then, this is like chicken tacos. Then I add 1 jar. I believe this is a 16-ounce jar. And you just throw it on top. Oh, boy. Okay. Throw that on top. You can add just a tiny bit of water to that. Then we're going to put the lid on it. Then you could cook it on low 6 to 8 hours. I'm putting mine on high for 3 to 4 hours. You know, I guess it just all depends on your crock pot. Scoop your chicken out and then shred it. I'm going to put the lid back on for just a minute. All right, now we're going to put that chicken, shredded chicken, back into these juices. That's that salsa. It's going to give it a lot of flavor. All right, now we want to make sure we get that juice all over the chicken. So stir it up. Let the chicken soak in that juice. See? You see that? It's soaking it all up now, and that's exactly what we're wanting. Okay, and at this point, I just heated up a flour tortilla shell. Now, what you could do is just get you a nice little scoop. Gosh, that's a lot. Gotta put some of that back. Get you a nice scoop. And from here, it could be done. Okay? It's that easy and tastes delicious. Or you could put any topping that you like on there. I just did lettuce, tomato, onions, some avocado, some pepper, and some taco sauce. And here, this is your chicken salsa taco. And it is amazing, and it does not take a lot of time. It is easy. Okay, friends, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos, please subscribe. Keep cooking. Love you guys.